Have you ever heard of a job where you get paid to just chat online, no video calls, no customer support stress, just text-based chatting from home? Today we are diving deep into one of the most popular platforms, hiring people worldwide to work as chat moderators. I'm going to walk you through how it actually works, how much you can earn, real requirements and application process, and lastly, my honest opinion on whether it's worth your time or not, using my experience. So stay with me till the end because I'm also going to share a few pro tips to help you earn more and avoid common beginner mistakes. Hello, I'm Tapiwa Temere and welcome back to Creative Cash Lab, where we learn, create, hustle and earn. If you are new here, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also don't forget to like so that whenever I post a new video, you also be notified. To those who have already subscribed, I just want to thank you for supporting this channel. The company that I'm talking about today is based in Europe and it provides online chat moderation services for various clients, mostly entertainment, social, and dating platforms. The main goal of this company is to keep conversations active, engaging, and safe. That means you as the chat moderator, you will be responsible for replying to messages, creating friendly and interesting conversations, and also making sure users follow community guidelines. On this platform, you don't need to show your face, your voice, everything is text-based. Think of it like being a community manager, but in a more relaxed, private setting. This company is called Cloudworkers. Once you are hired with Cloudworkers, you will log into Cloudworkers online platform. There you will see messages from users that you need to respond to. Each message you reply to earns you money. Yes, you get money paid per message. This company, it gives you preset chat rules and training so that you know how to respond, how to keep users engaged, and how to stay professional whenever you are using their app. Your job basically, it will be to keep conversations funny and polite, follow company guidelines, avoid sensitive or offensive topics, and also to make sure that users enjoy the experience. It's like a customer interaction, but much lighter and text only. Now let's talk about the requirements this company needs for you to qualify. Cloudworkers, it is open to applicants from many countries around the world. To apply for these positions, you must be at least 18 years old. You must also have good written English skills or any other supported language. You also need a stable internet connection, a smartphone, tablet, or even a laptop. Any of those can work. Most importantly, you must have the ability to type fast and keep a good conversation flow. That's the most important part. With Cloudworkers, there is no degree, no special software, just your device, your internet, and a little creativity. The application process is super simple. You just have to head over to Cloudworkers company or cloudworkers.com, or you can use the link that I'm going to leave in the comment section. Both direct you to the same site. While you are on the website, you have to click apply now, then fill out the online form with your details. You then take a short writing test where you answer some chat messages. This helps them check your grammar, tone, and creativity. Cloud workers pay per message and not per hour, and the rate depends with your country, language, and the platform, but on average it's from €5 to €15 per message. So imagine if you reply to 100 messages per day, that's around €5 to €12 per day. But many moderators handle much more and make between €300 to €800 per month. With cloud workers, you are paid via PayPal or a bank depending on your location. It's flexible. You decide how many hours you want to work, so your income depends on your speed and consistency. Before applying, here are some pro tips to stand out and earn more. You must always write naturally. Don't copy or paste replies. Also, try to be fast and creative in your responses. You must also work during peak hours. That's normally evenings and weekends, which means more messages, more pay. You must also learn to maintain positive, friendly tone in every chat and never share personal details. Professionalism is key with these chat moderation platforms. Creatives, also remember, it's not a get-rich-quick job, but it's a genuine remote opportunity that pays you for chatting online. If you want more videos about real online jobs and side hustles, hit the like button, subscribe, and also drop a comment. Thanks for watching and happy chatting. See you in my next video. Bye bye.